In a tranquil village where the wind carried secrets and stories, lived a young girl named Emilia, known for her deep connection to the whispering winds. Emilia would often climb the hill to listen to the wind's song, a melody that seemed to carry the tales of distant lands and forgotten times. One day, Emilia began to share a story. Long ago, it was believed that the wind was guarded by ancient spirits known as wind keepers. They ensured the harmony of nature's melodies. Emilia's friends found joy in the wind's whispers as they played among rustling leaves. Each breeze felt like a conversation with the wind keepers. Emilia's heart sank as she noticed a discordant note in the wind's song. She felt a deep responsibility to restore the harmony and balance. With determination, Emilia embarked on a journey to find the wind keepers. Her path led her through rolling hills, vast meadows, and whispering groves. Emilia's journey led her to a hidden cave adorned with wind chimes. Inside, the wind keepers resided, their presence felt in every gust of wind. The wind keepers bestowed upon Emilia a melodic essence, a gift that held the power to restore the harmony of the wind's song. With the melodic essence, Emilia returned to her village. She used its power to mend the wind's song, and soon, the winds echoed with a harmonious symphony. Emilia shared her journey with her village, inspiring them to connect with the wind and nature. The wind's song became a reminder of the harmony that exists within and around us.